Hey guys, welcome to Desk Jockey Physio, where we help active desk folks feel and move better. My name is Starkman. I'm an FCAMP registered physiotherapist and sports medicine clinic owner here in Toronto. Thanks for stopping by. Hey everyone, two quick updates before we jump into today's video. Number one, we have a free giveaway today. If you head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/guide, you can download your 5-step guide of how to set up the perfect laptop home office, which you can do right here, okay? And number two, we are now offering online physiotherapy sessions for you folks out there. To learn more about that, head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/online, and we'll see you there. All right, otherwise, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, sorry to jump in one more time before this video gets started. I just want to apologize. The audio in this video is a little bit sketchy. I didn't have my wireless mic with me, and it was a friend of mine. We were working together, and I just thought, hey, let's get this information out there to everybody. So I apologize for that. Please enjoy it. And just a reminder, we do have some awesome online programs we've made now for some of the common conditions that we talk about. As you can please go ahead and find that on our website, link below. Otherwise, if you can, please smash that like button down there. For us, it's really helpful to help us reach more people. Thank you for watching, and enjoy. I hope it helps you lift a little bit better. Have a great day. All right, guys, welcome back to Desk Jockey Physio. We're here with Simon today, and we're talking about the deadlift. Okay, so Simon's a desk guy. He's working from home. He's living his best life. He's got a new baby, and what he's doing right now is talking about how to lift up his kid and do that in an effective way. So, Simon, you can show us what you were doing for a deadlift motion before. I'm going to have you face this way. Okay. So a lot of people, when they're doing their deadlift, what we tend to see people do is they carry the weight really far in front of themselves, and they tend to flex the lower back. So, Simon, you can show us the wrong motion what you're doing before. So we can see him come down. He's leaning really positive, really far forward. The weight is super far away from his hips. The engine to lift him up is going to be his glutes, his hamstrings, lower back to some extent. And you can see how far away this is from that engine. Right? So if you're picking anything up, this is going to be not very mechanical position to do it. If we take that weight, Simon, and bring it right underneath your feet, so bring it right underneath. Now as he lifts up, there's much closer radius between these two movements to drive that weight up. So come back up and stand. So what we want to make sure we do when we go ahead and do this is keep our spine in a nice neutral position. We're going to use 3 points of contact on a broomstick or a dowel. So we're going to come up here. I'm going to hold this for Simon. The head's going to keep a little tucked and in contact here. Our lower back, or our mid back here, and the base of the hips. These are all going to stay in line as we do this. So Simon's going to go ahead and pick up that weight. So he drives down, 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 down. Awesome. And goes ahead and drives up. Tall squeeze, extends the hips, and comes up tall. Great. And again, come on down, lowers back. Awesome. And come back up. Beautiful. One more time. Great. Pause there, Simon. You hold that position. Testing his mobility. So what we can see here for Simon, you can see his hips are driven back as he's shaking, and I'm making force to keep his position. His lower back staying neutral. Now he's a little bit tight in his upper back. You can see he's actually drifting away here from the pole here. Are you okay, Simon?
Yep.
Here and here. Come back up. Tall. Good. And lower back down one more time. He drives back, pushes the hips. Go ahead. And you can rest the weight.
Okay.
Good, you can come up tall. Awesome. So the things we're looking at for Simon when he does this as a drill is we want to make sure, hold that for me, he is driving his hips back, keeping his spinal line, picking up that weight. We're bending the knee. A lot of people think a deadlift has to be straight leg. As you have the flexibility, that can happen, but in this situation, we want to bend the knees because most people don't. Pick up your kid, your dog, your laundry, whatever it might be, and drive up from there. As I lower back, hips drive back, neck stays tucked and not lifting up, and up again. So keeping those 3 points of spinal contact in the hips, the mid-back, and the neck as we drive up and down, making sure we load our hips back, knees stay bent but in a straight position, not forwards. And we feel good when moving from bed. Awesome? Awesome.
Great.
Simon, you can show us one more rep.
You got it.
Big test, and we'll sign off. Coming up here, big test. Not too bad, wait a little closer. And back up. Boom. Simon killing it. Guys, that's it. If you're looking at the difference between a deadlift, how to lift things up effectively, this is how you do it. You want to look like Simon with his hairy chest looking so great. If you guys like this video, please go down and smash that like button at the bottom. It helps the YouTube subscribers, all that fun stuff. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And of course, move like you mean it. Thanks a lot.